What's that noise there? Can you hear it? Is it common? Have you had this issue before? I'm guessing it has to do with the CD player. No disc. My guess it's the CD player. Comment down below if you have this issue, if you've had this issue, and how to fix it. What I'm gonna be doing is disconnecting the battery for a while, then reconnecting it and see what it gives me. The noise is gone. We'll give it a minute and reconnect it, see what it does. Battery cable back on, and I hear no buzzing. Let me go ahead and start the truck and see if maybe that might have resetted this buzzing. Let me see if I can get a CD in there. Looks like it got that CD. Well, we found the problem. Well, the good thing is that it isn't buzzing after I pulled the key off. But we found the problem.